Hello Kapossum, right now we are going to Italy, Milan. So this is Dublin Airport and this is the departure gate, and after the departure gate we have to go through security check, and this is the queue of the security check. After that you can see the inside of Dublin Airport. Yes, and we are looking for our boarding gate, which is 113. If you wish to travel around Europe, all you have to prepare is the vaccination certificate. Print it out to be safe, and of course that means you are fully vaccinated, and you have to fill out the form. It's called locator. So for example, I'm going to Italy, so I just Google it and Italy locator, and it will pop up right away. So you have to fill out the form less than 72 hours before your flight. And then if you are traveling with kids, 6 years old below doesn't need any other documents aside from their plane ticket and passport, so they're free to travel. And finally, we landed in Malpensa Airport, Italy. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Is it here? For our luggage. After collecting our luggage, we are going to collect our car in this company because we rent a car, and it's very handy because it's just in the building, so we don't have to go out. And of course, the first stop we want to go is Jollibee. Finally, we find Jollibee. At night time in Italy, so the next day we have our city tour. We're driving within the city just to look around and familiarize where to go if we need something for emergency. Yeah, and I hope you will enjoy the city view of Milan. That sculpture is called Horses of Saint Mark. Within the city, you can also find the famous cathedral, which is the Duomo Milan Cathedral. And yeah, beside it is a shopping center for all the luxurious brands for the likes of Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, yeah, and many more. Thank you for watching this video, and my next video would be about Pisa Leaning Tower and Venice experience. So see you!
Thank you.